Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you how to reset MrCool Mini Split. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there's actually two ways for you to reset your MrCool Mini Split here. So the first method is via a reset button. So usually a MrCool Mini Split should have a reset button for it. So sometimes it may be on the remote control. So if you do see a reset button on it, usually speaking, you just need to press that button. So if that button is a small pinhole, you may need to use a, like for example, a pin or any small object that you could press that hole here and basically press and hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds, and that should reset the system. But if you don't have that on your remote, you may need to check your actual device here, or your actual device or your appliance or your Mr. Mini Split here to see if there are any reset buttons that you can actually use on it. Now, if you don't have the button for it, or you don't necessarily see the button for it, what you could try doing here is you may want to basically turn off the system completely. So in this case, in order for you to do so, usually it doesn't just involve you turning off your system, but in this case, you want to cut off the power from it. So you want to look for the breaker for it and turn that off, and wait for about like 15 minutes or more if you can. Like if you can wait a whole day and basically let it just let it be disconnected. Usually we are draining the power from it, so just to make sure the power is fully drained. But once power is fully drained, you can go and turn it on and see if that actually solves any issues you may be encountering while you're resetting this. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.